Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn off active status in your Facebook account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type facebook.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we want to do right now is simply turn off our active status. At the top right section, just below your profile, that's account, there are these three dots. That is called options. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. Well, there are many chat settings you can edit from here. You can disable the incoming call sounds, disable message sounds as well. But right now, we simply want to turn off active status. Here's the active status right now. I'm gonna click on it. In this pop-up, you will be given some options. You can either directly enable or disable your active status from right here. But here are some other options as well. Active status, on for some. Simply hit on this edit button right here. Select your friends and click on save. And now you can click on this button as well. Likewise, there is a button called as active status, off for some. Simply hit on the edit button, select the person and hit on save. Now you can hit on this button as well. Now that everything's okay, click on save. And there you go. That's how you edit settings for active status. In case you want to directly turn off active status, simply follow the previous steps. Click on this options button right here. Then from here, active status. Now here's the off button, simply click on it. And now save. Well guys, that's it. That's how you turn off active status on Facebook. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.